Hello folks, Dave Schulke here with the Twin Home Experts, here to answer the question, what does a bathroom remodel cost here in Tucson, Arizona? It's a big question that we get, so I'm actually here in our bathroom showroom and wanted to answer that question for you. Now, by far the most expensive investment when it comes to remodeling is going to be the wet area. We call the 3 walls, 1, 2, 3. This by far requires waterproofing. There's tile, there's hot mopping. So per square foot, this area by far is going to be the most expensive. But if you do it right, it's actually going to be the best investment that you can make. Let's get down to cost. In respect to cost for a bathroom remodel, depending on what you pick out, from vanities to toilets to faucets to shower valves and to materials, we've done them as low as about $8,000, but we've also done them as high as about $25,000. So that's a big range there. I would say that most of our customers are spending right around $9,000 to $10,000. Again, really just depends on what features that you like and the cost of the materials. Just kind of coming through here to our on-site showroom, you know, if you're looking at a shower door that's custom with thick glass, you know, this feature alone could be about $800 to $1,200 depending on the glass. If you come over here, this right here is a shower that's 72 inches, and this has got a Euro glide door with rain shower heads and handheld sprays, shampoo niche, benches, shower pan. So there's a lot of different factors that really dictate the price. Well, hopefully this helped, folks. As always, thanks for watching.